Since it is December, we are going to do a quick and easy holiday updo today. Obviously, this updo is not only appropriate for Christmas. You can do this for any special occasion that you have. For all my special occasion hair, I do like to start with clean, freshly washed hair. I have volumizing product in it. I did use the K18 Astro Lift, but any volumizing product that you like will do the trick. And I did also put in my Wella Ultimate Repair today, but those are the only two products that I have in my hair. We are going to be using heat, so make sure in the very least you use heat protection. My K18 does have heat protection in it. And for today's look, I'm going to be using a hair tie, a few bobby pins or hair pins, and a hot tool to curl with. I'm going to be going with a flat iron, but you could use a wand or curling iron, doesn't matter, just any tool that you can curl your hair with. We're going to start by putting our hair up in a ponytail, and at this point you want to decide if you're going to leave hair down around your face or not. I am going to leave hair down, and if you are going to leave hair down, you do want to do it at this point. So I'm just going to brush everything up to where I want it, and I want my ponytail quite high because I want to be able to see my style from the front of my head, not just the side or the back. I do want to see a bit of it from the front, and so I'm going to put it quite high on my head so we can get a visual of the hair from the front. I'm going to loosen my grip, and I'm just going to start to kind of pull out what I want. That's probably good. Make sure, there we go, it's even. And then I'm gonna tie my hair in a ponytail. I am using one of my nylon hair ties. You wanna tie it so that it's secure, but you don't want it super, super tight so that you can still work with your hair. And I'm just gonna loosen my base at this point as well, because I don't want it really tight. I want it really soft. I want it fluffy, and I want it to have a little bit of texture. For extra texture, you could curl your hair before you put it up, and the style would still work. I'm choosing to just do the curling after I've put my hair up because that makes the whole process a lot faster. You don't have that time spent curling your hair before you start, but to each their own. So then I'm going to take small sections of my ponytail and I'm gonna curl them. You could take larger sections to move a little quicker, but the bigger the sections you take, the less curly you're gonna get. If you want more curl, take smaller sections. If you wanna move faster and you're okay with a little bit less curl, then you can go ahead and take bigger sections. Totally your call, but we're gonna go with slightly smaller sections today to try and get a little bit more curl. To get the most curl, using like a chopstick curling wand would be your best bet. That's gonna get you the most curl, and the most curl is gonna give you the most volume. So it doesn't matter what direction the curls go in, anything like that literally does not matter at all. Just get the hair curled. That is task number one. That one's probably a little big, but I'm getting lazy at the end. All right, so now we've curled all those. What I'm gonna do is take a comb or a brush, and I'm just going to tease just by touching the top and just pushing down once or twice gently. We're not trying to create like a big mess, a big rat's nest or anything, just trying to create a little bit of volume. Once you feel like you've done enough, and I truly don't do a lot, you're gonna take your bobby pins, pop it open a little, grasp it onto a bit of hair, allow it to close, and then you're just gonna push it in towards the ponytail holder. Just do this all the way around. If your hair is really long, grab the ends and kind of like loop it a few times before you stick it in. The key is to pin it enough so that it's gonna hold, but not overpin so that you start creating really tight shapes. Because if you start to create shapes that are too tight, you are going to lose volume. And I definitely like to let my ends poke out. That's why we've curled it too, so they're kind of like pretty and soft. Once you feel like you have pinned it as much as you want, you can add a layer of Stronghold hairspray, and that will help to hold everything. I'm gonna switch my front to a side part because that's just what I prefer with this type of hairstyle. And then we're gonna curl that as well. You can curl away from your face or towards your face, totally your call. I like towards. I know it's controversial. A lot of people like away. I just feel like towards gives me a little bit more volume, but to each their own. You literally can't go wrong. You could even leave it straight if you wanted to. There is no wrong answers. Just kind of dropped my ends out there without getting them all the way curled. That's a little better. And then we'll just grab this guy and curl him as well. Curled. We left that one out completely. Just curl it. All right, and then, because that looks crazy, but we just soften. I'm gonna pull out a few more hairs because I feel like I want a bit more down here. I'm just gonna give those a soft curl. I don't really want them like ringlets or anything. I just want them not straight. And there we go. Super fast, super easy holiday updo or updo for any occasion. Perfect if you don't have a lot of hair for faking that you have more hair than anyone knows you do. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a fun hairstyle that is easy for you to try for the holiday season. Let me know if you try it out, how it goes in the comments. Let me know if you guys have any other videos you would like to see, because you know I'm always up for making whatever you want to see here on my channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe so you can grow my channel here. Thanks for watching today. Bye.